Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to Honor X6. First of all, go into Play Store on both. Then click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Following that, you need to get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. First of all, click on I agree. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Then, to close this window, choose OK. Finally, click on Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola and receive next to Send at the bottom of Honor. Also on Honor, scroll down to select the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to Motorola device. You can select all of those categories at the top of your Motorola and click on those type of dots to select files from your category. If you wish to pick only a couple of them, just click on the chosen ones. In my case, this one photo. Then click on Send next to selected. Now tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and select the best connection way for you. If you wish to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on Honor. Then allow camera access by tapping on while using the app or only this time, and point your device's camera at the code. In order to input this 6-digit key instead, tap on Input key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then hit Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!